if you want to change the DPI settings on Nothing Phone 3, first of all, we can go to settings, and we're gonna start by going display settings, into display settings. And then over here we have font and display size, and we can adjust the size of display by moving left and right over here, as you can see here. Now, this is one of the ways to change DPI settings. Another way to change DPI is by going to developer options. So in order to activate developer options, we need to go to About Phone, go to Nothing OS over here at the top, and then keep tapping on build number until you see an information that you are a developer. We're gonna go back now, and in settings we're gonna go to system this time, open developer options, and we need to keep scrolling until we find an option that is called smallest width. And over here, the smaller number we provide, the bigger the screen is, and the bigger the number, the smaller the screen is. So for example, if I set it to 600, then it looks like this. As you can see, this screen is much smaller. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.